Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm thrilled to share an incredible tool that lets you create realistic AI avatars in just a few minutes. If you're eager to learn how to make these stunning videos, stick around until the end. The tool I'm talking about is called Wondershare aka Verbo, and you'll find the link in the description below. It comes packed with features like AI avatars, voice generation, script writing, video translation, and talking photos. Best of all, it's available on Windows, mobile phones, and online. Downloading and installing. You have two options. Download it to your computer or use it online. Once installed, you'll see an interface filled with over 300 avatars to choose from, including characters from various regions and professions. Creating a video. To create a video like the one you saw at the start of this tutorial, follow these steps. 1. Fix background. Select this option to choose your setting. 2. Character selection. Choose from male or female characters, each with various clothing options. 3. Aspect ratio. Set the desired aspect ratio for your video. 4. Script input. Type your script or upload an audio file. If you prefer not to type, the AI can generate a script based on your idea. Selecting voices and backgrounds. Next, let's dive into the voice and background options. 1. Voice selection. Choose from over 300 voices, categorized by language and accent. You can preview each voice to select your favorite.
To be. Never mistake motion for action.
In a
Never mistake motion for action.
Options include accents like Australian, Filipino, and Indian. 2. Adjust settings. Adjust the speed and volume of the voice to fit your needs. 3. Backgrounds. Choose from various background options or upload your own. You can also add background music from the provided list or upload your own file. 4. Subtitles. Enable or disable subtitles as needed for better accessibility. Exporting the video. Once everything is set up, click Export and select your desired resolution, such as 1080p. When the video is ready, it will appear in the My Creation section, where you can download or preview it.
Hey there! So excited to have you on board. Welcome to my amazing channel. Get ready for some awesome content that will surely bring a smile to your face. Let's dive into the world of fun and excitement together. Once again, welcome and enjoy the ride.
Using your own voice. Now let's try using my own voice with a male character named Henry 1. Upload audio. Upload your own audio file to the platform. 2. Transcription. The tool will automatically transcribe your audio into text. 3. Export. Hit export to see the final output with your voice. Why not love me? I'm all smiles and laughter, ready to brighten up your day. Come on, give me a chance and let's fill the world with love and joy. Exploring additional features. 1. Template library. Explore over 400 templates for different purposes like news, product showcases, and social media marketing. 2. Video translation steps. Upload your video. Select the original language and the target language for translation. Click Translate and wait for the process to complete. 3. Talking photos steps. Upload a photo. Enter a script or upload an audio file. Choose a voice and export the video.
Welcome to Wondershare Verbo. Just start typing your script to begin. Use photo magic to make your photos talk and come to life.
Let's try with another one. Choose from a diverse selection including business professionals, casual characters, and cultural avatars like Japan, China, and India. Select an avatar and personalize its appearance with clothing and accessories to suit your video's context. Input your script directly or use Verbo's AI to generate a script based on your topic or idea. Pick from over 300 voices in multiple languages and accents. Customize voice speed, pitch, and volume to match your video's tone. Also, you can use your own voice. Follow this. Record and upload your voice. AI converts voice to text script and synchronizes it with the chosen avatar. Then choose backgrounds from the library or upload your own. Add background music from Verbo's tracks or upload your preferred music. Review and adjust script, voice, background, and music alignment. Export your video to the My Creation section. Download it or share directly on social media platforms. Advanced features, video translation, upload and translate videos into multiple languages. Talking photos, turn static images into dynamic videos with voiceovers. AI video templates, more than 300 perfect AI video templates tailored for different purposes, such as promotional videos, social media content, product demonstrations, tutorials, and more. Let's see what we generated.
Welcome to the future of creativity and innovation with Wondershare Verbo AI tool. Whether you're a designer, marketer, or content creator, Wondershare Verbo AI is here to transform the way you work. With its user-friendly interface, you can easily create stunning visuals, engaging videos, and captivating animations, all in one place. Leveraging the power of artificial intelligence, Verbo AI offers cutting-edge features like automatic background removal, smart templates, and advanced editing tools, allowing you to focus on your creative vision. Choose from a vast library of smart templates and customize them effortlessly to match your brand's unique style. Let the AI handle the technical details while you enjoy the creative process. Watch as your ideas come to life with precision and flair. From social media managers to educators, from entrepreneurs to artists, professionals across industries are harnessing the power of Verbo AI to enhance their projects. Wondershare Verbo AI has completely changed the way I approach my work. It's fast, efficient, and incredibly powerful. I can't imagine going back to my old tools. Ready to elevate your creativity? Join the revolution with Wondershare Verbo AI tool. Visit our website and start your free trial today. Unleash your creativity with Wondershare Verbo AI, because your ideas deserve the best.
The possibilities with Wondershare Verbo are endless. Whether you want to start your own YouTube channel or create content in any language, this tool has you covered. The free plan lets you generate 2-minute videos, which is enough to test its capabilities. If you find value in it, you can upgrade to one of the premium plans to unlock more features. We have monthly plan that provide you 10 minismo video credits, max 2 mins of video duration, 1080p export resolution, 20G cloud storage, unlimited time of AI script, no watermark, just costs $99 per month, and yearly plan essential with 22 mins YR video credits, max 5 mins of video duration, and 100G cloud storage cost $19 per year. Or you can try upgrade to the yearly plan plus to unlock more 300 mins per year video credits, just cost $199 per year. You can choose any options that's suitable for you.
That's it for today's video. If you learned something new, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. See you in the next one.